So the extensions as they kind of, as you see them, are like this. So this is once the hair's been treated with Dream Coat. So you'll see the hair is super, super silky, really shiny. And you know, again, it has that mirror-like radiance to it. So you can see the shine and the gloss from the roots to the tips. But I thought it'd be really interesting to show you how the extensions come in. So this is, forgive you that, this is generally how I got the extensions. So when they can come in, you know, and they're dried naturally, they kind of dried and frizzy and have that kind of unruly texture and don't really have any shine at all. So you can see, you know, the blend is not going to be there. So once this is treated in a Dream Coat, blown out, and then lightly put the irons over the top, you'll get that complete difference of hair texture, and you see the complete transformation as well. It's like literally night and day.